Good morning.
Morning. It's day 9.
Day 9.
Hump day.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and make some coffee before we head into work. Wonder what it is today.
I don't know. I hope. My guess is probably something. It's probably going to be another country one.
I think so. Maybe something organic.
Yeah, let's see.
Number 9. This one looks like Lilo's dress from Lilo and Stitch. You hear that, Lilo? Does she care?
Probably.
Organic Rainforest.
Wow, that's new.
That's fancy.
You were right. Point for Gryffindor.
Oh, I'm not Gryffindor.
Oh, yeah, you're Raven. Point for Ravenclaw.
Oh, hi. Oh, hi, Nani. First sips?
First sips. Here we go. Oh,
Clink.
That's all sorts of different.
It is.
I don't know what that is.
I don't get much coffee. I feel like all I taste is creamer. Do you taste more? You have more coffee.
There's like this underlay of like a really dark flavor that I don't know if it's like some sort of really mellow like chocolate that I'm not able to pick out. Something's there. I can't figure it out.
Yeah, I don't know what
I don't hate it, but it's definitely like we've had some more potent ones.
It's middle of the line. Yeah.
Middle line coffee. If you know what Rainforest coffee is supposed to be, please let us know.
Yeah, what that blend is, but for now it's coffee.
For now, it's just coffee.
Let's go to work. Whoppers. Nothing else jingly.
There's no more jingles in the cat toy tree.
Oh, do you like wet food now?
Oh, here we go.
What's
got
in
a
day
guess.
5?
What is it? It's a mouse.
That's a very odd mouse.
I thought it was a banana.
But look,
He's
look at this structure. It's like a Rudolph mouse.
Yeah, not really.
I don't know if I'm feeling it. What
Hey,
do you
babies,
think?
come look at this.
Hey. What is this boy? What is back here? I don't...
Whatever's behind the dryer is much more entertaining than the creepy Rudolph mouse.
Hey, what's this boy? What's this boy? What's this boy? We don't care. Go get him. Here's this. I already did the openings.
Ripperoni.
I'm very sad. I'm very sad about their lack of reactions about these, but they just have their toys that they like, I guess.
All right, we're using the get out of here. Oh boy.
There's been a casualty.
Oh, you like the tail more than the mouse.
I was gonna say, it's more about the string. It's more about the string with her than literally anything else. She's got it hooked on her nail.
Give it back. Okay.
All right, bye.
Oh.
Casualty again.
What are you gonna do to that bad mousey? Oh, get get.
Naughty girl. Is he bad? Is he a bad boy?
Oh, flip.
We're gonna chase our tail
and
now.
that's
We've moved
tail.
on.
All right, guess what day it is on the beer calendar? Day 9. Oh, shoot.
Oh my. That was violent.
I know, but we're gonna open this without.
Very good job again. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Hopewell?
Hopewell?
Hopewell, it's a big cold brew. It's very festive looking all across it.
That's neat.
And here's the, I don't know if you can get a focus on those. It's an Imperial Coffee Stout.
There we go. Wow.
Now,
there's no I in beer, it says.
So that's why we're sharing it, right?
I guess. What are we going to say now?
So it's only a 12-ounce can. Usually we get like, these come with the 16-ounce cans. So
what's the ABV though?
it's 9.2, which I was expecting it to be a lot bigger because of how small the can is. So not very much beer today, but that's a good thing.
I was going to say, that's okay. We'll give it a go.
That's okay. Glasses of choice today, we got a Schlafly glass, which is a brewery in St. Louis. There we go. And then a Guinness cup. This cup was a gift from Michelle when we first started dating. She went to Disney and she brought me home a Guinness glass because I like me some Guinness. So let's start pouring.
Try this, baby.
Yeah. Notice the new angle.
Trying it out. Oh.
Oh,
all right,
hello.
bye.
Bye. Dark. Dark and thick.
Oof.
No, it's just really dense stout.
Yeah, it really is.
I mean, it's perfect for the Guinness cup. Like Guinness kind of like feel to it. Mm-hmm. Very dark. Sure. Not see-through at all. Like if I shine a light through it, you're not going to see it at all.
No. It's really good.
It is good. It's got that coffee.
Yeah.
Good flavor.
You're probably going to get some of this too.
Nice. It is very like, it's definitely bitter. Like.
Yeah, there's a bitter kick at the end. It's still good.
Mm-hmm. But this is definitely one you want to have on like a really cold night. I think because I was
going to say maybe not necessarily a cold night, but definitely not a hot day.
Yeah, when we went to Disney a while ago, the Rose and Crown was open, which I didn't mention that these cups actually, the Guinness cup came from the UK pavilion in Epcot. So we went to the Rose and Crown. I got a Guinness. And then we waited in line for
Frozen after.
And it was like, I don't know, 90 degrees out, and I was just sipping on a Guinness, so it was just so thick.
And it's kind of your track record. We also went to Disney Springs last year, and at like 1 p.m. you got a Guinness at Raglan Road.
And it was like 98 degrees then, so I don't recommend it.
Yeah,
but
you kind of felt miserable after that. Oh well. You were in Disney.
It helps balance.
Yeah, balance. Alright, so tonight we have something special for you. We've decided that we're going to make some Mexican hot chocolate sugar cookies. So these are essentially chocolate versions of Snickerdoodles. Snickerdoodles are my favorite cookies. Adding even more chocolate only seems like the most logical step. I made this recipe probably 2 years ago for a work cookie exchange, back when exchanging baked goods was an acceptable form of friendship. Hashtag COVID. Well, we decided we're going to make them again. So, back to our diet. We've only had about 1,200-ish calories each today. You probably even less than me. So, moderation, cookies, good time for all. These are the ingredients that I have laid out. We have salt, eggies, semi-sweet morsels, flour, sugar, unsweetened baking chocolate. This Baker's brand is the best. It's 4 ounces of chocolate, and it only needs 2 per batch, so you can cut it right in half. Some of the other bars come as 3.5, and then there's weird math that we have to do. Ugh. We have a nani.
Watch out.
We have light corn syrup, Crisco, shortening, cinnamon, and baking soda. Not baking powder, soda.
Soda.
So, we're ready to give this a gander?
I think so.
Baking time! Woo!
All right, the oven is preheated to 350. It's a little blurry, but there it is. Always remember to preheat the oven before you start anything, so when you're ready to put it in, it is to the correct temperature you need it to be. Right, Douglas?
So we have all of our dough. So I rolled them into little balls, about an inch-ish. We'll say it's an inch. Look at those chocolate chippies in there. The recipe calls for a cup and a 1/4 cup of sugar split. So the cup gets mixed into the initial cookie dough batch. And then it says to put a 1/4 cup into a little side bowl, which we're gonna roll the balls of dough into. I just dump sugar into a bowl until I think there's enough sugar. So no measurements, just sugar dumps. So I roll and I roll and I roll and I roll and I roll. And then we have a cookie. And then we just gotta bake it for our 8 to 10 minutes. Sugar thumbs. All right, we're gonna put these babies in the oven.
Oh no! So
not.
Michelle already molded all these cookies.
And I rolled them in sugar.
Now we're gonna throw these bad boys in for 8 to 10 minutes. Have fun.
Bye.
Oh goody.
Oh, they smell so good.
Yeah, it's just filling this room with sweet smells. Cookies.
Here's the last of them. We're missing one right there. We didn't have enough dough for 3 dozen, but we had 2 and 11 12 dozens.
Yeah, here we go. We'll see you soon, friends.
Bye, friends. We're gonna put him on our little festive Douglas plate. He's got earmuffs.
Just in time for the holidays.
We'll do 3 for now. Cookie. Okay, we've got our milk. Yay. Are you ready to try the cookies?
Yep. So we'll do one. I'm going to do one without a cookie dunk. Because I don't know if you like dunking your cookies in milk. No, I do. So. Sweet bliss.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Very chocolatey. It's got that little sugar on top.
Oh, these are so good. Like I said, I love snickerdoodles. This is a lot of sweetness. So delicious though.
So good.
Is it good in the milk?
Mm-hmm. You gotta pair it with milk. I'm sorry, I'm struggling with my mouth full.
Rude.
But, we'll do it again, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we got
I was going to say, we got a ton of cookies. It's not going to be anytime soon that we're making these again. All right. I think with that, we are going to wrap it up for the night.
Yeah, call it a night. Good hump day. We got some great cookies, good beer, good coffee.
Yeah. Cat toy.
Cat toy. I mean,
I liked it.
And I mean, we got the cats to play with it for a little bit, so that was fun.
Yeah. But we will see you guys tomorrow to see what the 10th brings.
Whoa, wow. We're hitting the double digits finally.
Woo.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.